When should I repair clothing instead of decluttering? Imagine standing in front of your closet, contemplating the pieces that have served you well but now show signs of wear. The decision to repair or declutter can be challenging, but understanding when to choose one over the other can lead to a more sustainable wardrobe. First, consider the sentimental value of the clothing item. If it holds memories or represents a significant moment in your life, repairing it may be worth the effort. A simple stitch or patch can breathe new life into a beloved garment, allowing you to cherish it for years to come. Next, evaluate the quality of the fabric and construction. High-quality materials often withstand the test of time and can be repaired effectively. If the item is made from durable fabric and has a solid construction, it is likely worth repairing rather than discarding. On the other hand, if the clothing is made from low-quality materials that are prone to wear and tear, it may be more practical to let it go. Another factor to consider is the cost of repair versus replacement. If the repair costs are significantly lower than purchasing a new item, it makes sense to invest in the repair. For example, fixing a small tear or replacing a button is usually less expensive than buying a new shirt. Additionally, think about your personal style and how the item fits into your current wardrobe. If the clothing aligns with your style and you can envision wearing it again, repairing it can enhance your wardrobe without the need for new purchases. However, if the item no longer reflects your taste or fits well, decluttering may be the better option. Lastly, consider the environmental impact of your choices. Repairing clothing contributes to sustainability by reducing waste and extending the life of garments. In a world where fast fashion contributes to significant textile waste, choosing to repair rather than discard can have a positive effect on the planet. In summary, when deciding whether to repair clothing or declutter, reflected on the sentimental value, quality of the item, cost of repair versus replacement, personal style, and environmental considerations. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in making a thoughtful decision that aligns with your values and lifestyle.